So we finished the full mouth mono 16 unit implant bridge. This is regarding the long axis, emergence profile, height of contour, canine rise, and individual tooth contour. Do you think people don't know about their restorations? Answer is yes, maybe no. Eventually they know, because the number one reason, the aesthetics, number two, comfortable. So we check the occlusion together. So they choose artificial restoration, especially full mouth is top and bottom, almost top and bottom. So why I make the video all the time, so people are asking me, look, what is the difference than the others? The reason is I made the documentation for you guys, because I'm in the cases. I did not do all the time, but I working with my crew indirectly, just perfect relationship. We talk together regarding the mounting. Just gotta be right from the die trim, and then set the mountings correctly. And then these videos I helped my crew, which is I have them grow too, which is my direction, meaning lower jaw have to move, nobody move to upper jaw, so lower jaw gotta be set up perfectly, meaning the curve of speed and Wilson and below function, either canine rise or flat occlusion contact. So this video is going to show you about regarding the design. Kind of a little bit bold, but it's really, really important message for you guys. And the people constantly made a mistake, especially technicians. So technicians should have to know the design part. A lot of people make the design and then finish it. They look good, but it's not. Because I'm talking about the function. I'm not really talking about the aesthetic at that moment. But after we design it correctly, and then we make the little tweak, make the final restoration for the patient comfort. And don't miss out this video. We're going to show kind of little short is CAD-CAM design, what we do for patients, full mouth rehabilitations, and then we do final work. And then we do have a good relationship with the Miami doctors, which is Dr. Abraham, Howard Abrahams in Miami. So kind of more than 1,500 miles differentiations, but they can see my video all the time, so they got comfort. They knew we try best we can for their patients. So don't cheating on your patient and dentist. You will get the great product in the near future. Appreciate your supporting all the time. Thanks for tuning in. Watch this. Correct. Yes, just like that. So make smooth, put slide the Y, move the lower, upper, core and below function. Concentrate central only, 24-25. Just like that, the other side. Better, and the lingual is higher is okay inside the edge. But the single room is a little bit concave. Here, yeah, a little concave. All the way here, more concave. No room, then stop. Okay, yeah, getting better. I need a little bit more out. Just like that. Now, same thing, central. It's not too short. See the make slightly added. What I'm saying, this is a study standard, and then I tweak. Same thing here, flat, right? Look at the canine occlusion view. It's really wide, so you can cut it, move to line angle this direction. Yes, and then here too, especially. Then we can decrease the width. A little bit more open is okay. Fine, great. Now, same as the other side. You see? Let's move it. All right. Better. Okay, now see the frontal view. Now this one, this third tuck in. Right, okay, that's good. So magnify, no, frontal view, like exactly like this. Now this canine higher because that one's high. Margin, no, canine marginal reach higher and cusp as well, but still lower than, no, higher. Marginal reach higher, cusp higher. It doesn't matter occlusion because we're going to do upper. We have to make slightly out facially. Core, height enough, that's good. Higher. Now, same. Everything's good. Now, when you see occlusion view, this is the marginal which is higher than the other side. So you could, the distal area make lower is okay. Distal, yes. Yes. Better. I like the occlusion anatomy, but here, can you show me this? Still margin which is low. Add it. Okay, a little bit higher. Okay, this one too. No, this one is this. Yeah, okay. No, higher. All right, still lower than this. Now, what I want to set up, I want the curve to this, lined up. First, a little bit bring down. Good. This one, bring down. Okay, good. Now, almost good. Now, check the opposing. Let's do upper. Yeah, now you can grinding upper. When you see the heating, you can grinding.
Grind for the upper,
Yes.
not the lower.
Now, we're talking about aesthetic, 6 unit, right? Okay, bigger. Just like same low direction and the low direction. Better, much better. Right? And then here, still shorter, make square. Better. So you're getting better, okay? Now make like this. Okay, make just slightly. Okay, good. This is funny.
Yeah.
Okay, now you see the follow, exactly the same follow the CZ. No, this is good. Only this is issue. Make duplicate it. Bring down. There's a flat, just like that. Better. I still need this and this. And the longer. Point it. Alright. Here make a little bit thicker, just like that. You see over here? Now this 3 unit bridge.
Yeah.
Okay, occlusion view. So I like this. You have to make a little more thicker only here, later. Okay, later. Okay, now this is up, sticking out, bringing it. This line angle over there. So what I say is a long axis. Long axis will be here. More move it, yes. And then slightly add here, in between concave. Let me see the photo. Frontal view, much better. See, much better. I like this. Just cut it facial, little bit, bring it down. Okay, much better. Now, you see, always premolar, not longer than this, not same as this. This is better. Okay, let me see. Vocal corridor, the other side. Vocal corridor, should be fine. Okay, now this. I think it's okay. So, what is this? Panty? Implant. Okay, good. Now you're good. Now you can't take the occlusion. Can't take. This is a little bit bigger, but I can cut it here. So we finished the full mouth mono 16 unit implant, this bridge. This is regarding the long axis, emergence profile, height of contour, canine rise, and individual tooth contour. Alright, so after we designed it, and then like I discussed with my people, I want to get the canine higher, which is canine rise, than the other. Alright, and then step down to premolar. This is right now a little bit high, so we're going to little trim it, and then this is a little bit high, we're going to trim it. And not only this, and then we see the curve of speed here and curve of Wilson. So always set up the lower first, okay, with a solid cast mortar. This is all monolithic, right? And then here's his occlusion. So as you can see the design, I like to always this like this. Okay, first premolar and tongue will not bother here, which is not fat. This is great too. Okay, now members, we designed the upper. Same things, 3 unit bridge, and then I can trim a little bit. Okay, and then 4 unit bridge actually. So which is a one. This is spray. That's why we're going to clean it out. We're going to get the screw retain cementable screw retain cases. So base up on the lower, and then we can set up the upper just like the occlusion. So whenever now is we have to make the aesthetics for eyes. So 8 and 9 trying to make the good CJ and a little bit more bigger, which is golden proportion. 7 and 10, so width is low, smaller than central. K9 slightly long, so we can cut it and then drop down. Okay, so whatever we do here with the mounting, with this, and then here, because all about the guidance here, which is doctors presented. All right, this is the guidance. Without guidance, sometimes we cannot do it. All right? So we make sure this, and here is white, and then we can double check. There's the final one. All right, so here is occlusion. So now ready to go to the small detailed contouring, and then we can sandblast it, and then we can put the luster paste or spectrum stain from GC America, and then we can finalizing. And this is part 2. As Friday mornings finished the full mouth is monolithic totally, and then we designed it. Then Joe took the video, which is the serious video about the 9-minute, how to set up the contour from the envelope functions, canine guidance, and then vocal corridor, okay, it's height of contour, curve of speed, and curve of Wilson. So that one is we finished completely monolithic. Okay. And then this is uppers, we designed it, same thing. Remember, we made the 4 unit, the bridge is top of that. They make the beautiful pour, nice contour. And then we make the great vocal corridor for this. So screw retained, which is great. Just like that. So after we polish it carefully, we anodize it just like our technique, like this. Then we're going to cement it, so it will be one piece. So we make the cosmetic reasons for facial. So another piece of case, piece of art. Sorry, not piece of case. Piece of art cases. Finish it. Okay. And you can see the later about the after cement. We can update it for the final one. Okay, so this is the final contours, pontic design, everything's done. It's a nice job.